Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to install the TurboLock. The install is actually really simple. You don't need any special tools besides a Phillips screwdriver. Now the first thing you gotta do is remove your old doorknob. I won't be going over that because doorknobs for everyone will be different from one another. Here I already have mine removed. The first thing you want to do now is put in the latch unit. I'm choosing to not screw it in yet, just so I can have some play to properly fit it into the door. Now there are two knobs. The first knob you want to use is the one with the numbers. We want to put that wire through that hole, or that hole in the center of the latch. Next is what I consider to be the most satisfying part, is to join the other knob with the initial knob. Once you do this, just screw in the screw on the left side first, or right side, doesn't matter. And then put in the other screw. Now before I put everything together, I just want to make sure that the power unit is working with the number pad. And it is. So now all we gotta do is screw in the power unit. I also won't be going over the programming instructions, but trust me, it is not too hard. Just refer to the instruction manual and you'll be fine. And so everything is in. Time to test the knob. Thanks for watching, everyone.